talking about. Just what I came after. Oh, you nut. Like 7 pounds?
Oh yeah, we got some back and forth. I'm not getting up to fight. This guy's not one fire down right here.
Oh my God! Oh shit! Ah! Ah! Got it! Holy crap! Oh. Today we are fishing my buddy Kevin's private lake, going after targeting big largemouth, the ones that are 3 pounds and above, hoping to get a 6 or a 7. As a bonus would be a grass carp, a decent channel cat, or even the chance of a flathead and blues. He has a buddy that fishes the Mississippi River and brings them over here and puts them in here, so there's a slim chance. But the target species is largemouth, like I said, and I also will catch some crappie as well. It is the hottest day of the year so far. It is 80 degrees today. It is April the 21st. Sunday, April the 21st. And I got 4 poles made up ahead of time. I got one with just for a bobber and red wiggler. I got one with 4 pound for crappie and a small jig. This reel amazingly held 250 yards, all on one reel. I used the whole spool. So that's so I'm able to wing that thing a 100-yard cast. Now I got one with 10-pound line and a bomber crankbait. Then I got one with 12-pound line and a 1-ounce spinnerbait. This is for the big boys, 1-ounce giant spinnerbait. Then 1 hour before dark, I'm going to switch the spinnerbait to a buzzbait and try some topwater action. So these 4 poles are all designated for a certain thing the whole day. I'm not going to change any of them. If I lose something on any of them, it's going to be exactly what I just lost. And except that one is going to get changed to a buzzbait later in the evening. It right now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The water conditions are a little bit dingy, more on the dingy side, but it's not terrible. It's, I would say, stained, heavily stained, but not necessarily murky. We got about 8 to 10 mile an hour winds coming from the west, directly from the west, so that's always good. And I'm going to start off just trying for the big boys right away for the big spinnerbait bass. Not keeping anything today because I like to come here all the time and want them to be there. So I was Wilma's got a nice one here. She's got something nice on the spinnerbait. I'm coming. It's got a decent one. Probably a 3-pounder or bigger. Yeah. Oh, you're using a jig now, not the spinnerbait. I gotta watch out for that dog. Good job, bud. Just caught him on the chartreuse orange core pulsar swim bait. Might need pliers. Let me go grab the plier. Oh yeah. Nice bass. Here, you hold it. No, well, here, up. Oh, I know how to do that. That first fish. Second fish for home. Now you hold it. Now I'm going to take a picture of you with my phone. Good job. Now I'm going to... No, you hold it. Alright, hold on. Hold on. There he is. Crappie. It's a nice one too. It's not a small one. No, it's a bass. It bit more like a crappie. I gotta let these fish wear out because this is 4-pound line. That's nothing to play around with. No matter if they're this small, I just gotta let them get real tired. Alright, my first fish. Finally, it took me 1 hour, almost an hour to get one fish. At least 45 minutes. They weren't aggressive enough, at least right now in the middle of the day, to hit spinner baits. So I just tried the sausage head instead. Alright, a little largemouth, about 3/4 of a pound. I gotta go change my battery. It's been filming 45 minutes. Got one. Alright, got my second fish. It's a crappie, a nice crappie. Oh yeah. Real nice crappie. Alright guys, this might be my biggest crappie out of here. Wow. Look at that. Nice black crappie. 11 inches. Got him on the bubblegum sausage head. 4-pound line. Berkeley Solutions. Monofilament. And I tell you what, he put up a fight. That's a nice crappie, guys. Beautiful. That is my personal best crappie out of this thing. Last year when we fished it, there was a lot of... I want you to take a picture of me with a phone real quick. Last year when I caught crappie out here, they were all 7 and 8s, and I got 2 or 3 10s. So this is nice. It's ready. All you gotta do is hit the button. It's a nice crappie. That's the biggest one I've ever caught out of here. Let me take my hat off. Oh yeah, nice crappie. I think. Yep. Oh my gosh, another big 12-incher. Folks, I got another nice crappie here, real dark. Oh yeah, he's a 12. Yeah, it's a 12. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. Pretty. He's about 12 inches. Wow. Yeah, he's about 12 inches. Wow. Guess where he was? Right on the side of that stick. Oh yeah. Wow. I can tell when it's them because they don't come to the top and jump. They just stay, they kind of ski across once you, yeah. All right, folks, I got another 12-incher. I make videos, I put them on YouTube. Yeah. All right, folks, that's my second crappie of the day. Both real decent sized ones. And they're really girthy too. Really girthy. I think this is a female with eggs in it, maybe. Not sure, but you want to. Alright, I'm going to put her back. Beautiful 12-inch crappie, guys. Wow. Oh, nope, he got back on. He got off and got back on. Oh, there he did get off. Oh, all right. Fell off right at the bank. Another crappie, guys. That one is about 7-inch. All right, gonna get her back in. Pretty little black. Not sitting on my head right. Pointing too far up. Not even close. Folks, I've been battling a grass carp for about 20 minutes now. I'm using a crappie jig and I accidentally bumped a grass carp and hooked it. And I've been battling it for 20 minutes. I just now turned the camera on because it's such a long, drawn out fight with 4-pound line. I really have to baby this fish. And he's ran me back and forth 50 times. It's a big grass carp, guys. This will definitely be the fish of the year so far. The problem is I got 4-pound line, so I cannot fool around with him and try to horse him in whatsoever. He ran about 100 yards of my line out already. Luckily I got 200 on here. Problem is I gain ground, but then I just lose it right back every time. I'm trying to get him away from that tree that you see laying submerged in the water over there because he's had me in it 2 times and by some miracle I got it back out. I heard it pop. Yeah? He ran into something. He's going right for the tree. There he's in the tree again. Oh my goodness. Let me try to go in this corner back here. Get him away from that tree. Because back here it's real shallow. It'll be easier to get in the net. He's right in the tree somewhere again. But I can still feel him pulling though. Now he's coming your way. Directly at you.
Okay. You got the net, right?
Now see, I can see the line, so I can tell you where to go pretty much. He's 30 feet over from that stick sticking up. He's heading right for it. But at least now I'm gaining on him. Oh, wow. Now I'm really gaining. Folks, we're getting close to the carp. He's directly below you. Okay, I gotta let him run again. He knows what's going on. Oh boy. There he goes. Wow. Woo! I tell you what, this will make my vacation right here. If I get him, probably be the biggest fish I've caught in 4 years. Problem is, we don't know how deep it is, but you can always try. It's worth a try.
We used to be able to walk across this lake. I know you still can.
Yeah, when it gets dry out, that's what he was explaining to me.
Well, even when it wasn't dry, when we was kids, we walked right across.
Oh, okay. Getting sleepy. Boy, no. Boy, he just went berserk again. Wow. Oh boy. Folks, I just battled that grass carp for 2 hours, hour and 45 minutes on this bobby gar line, 4-pound line. Ended up losing him at the end. It broke free after all that time and effort. It's just that's a sad moment, for sure. That would have been the biggest fish I caught in a long time. Alright, she's got another fish. Crappie? Good job. There you go. Right when I walked off. Good job. Yeah, it's not worth taking a regular picture. See, they may just now be starting to bite, kind of. Bite finally that time. Got him. See, they're just now starting to bite. So we're gonna scare them eventually, though. All right, folks, we got doubles. She got hers on the sausage head electric chicken, and I got the lights out. Yep, they're twins.
Yeah.
Yep, brother and sister.
You want to take a picture?
No. Yeah, here.
Yeah, hold it. Move.
Yeah.
That's it?
You can do it with your phone. picking up a little bit anyway. For some reason they haven't been 12s anymore though. It's the 8-inchers and 7s. I got the 2 12s first and then they got smaller. Not bad though, they're decent. Nice little black. I think that's number 6 for me actually. Oh yeah. Oh man. What do I got? Something big. All right, bass. Boy, with this 4-pound line, folks, these fish sure feel huge because I have to have the drag so weak. Not as big as I thought, but at first he really felt like it. Just use the dip net. There you go. All right. Yep. All right, folks, my second largemouth of the day on the sausage head. Not a bad guy. They all feel real big on this 4-pound line with the drag set. Oh wow, she got a 4-pounder. Oh, he's 5. That's 5 pounds. That's your biggest bass ever. That is your biggest. They're coming in to feed in the shallows right now. He's 5 pounds, Wilma. Hold him up with the lure in it. I'll get a good. Folks, she just caught a 5-pounder easily. Don't take the lure out. Okay, go ahead. You leave it in. She caught him on a jointed. She caught him on a jointed crawl Rapala. He's easily 5. He might go 6. Hold him up for us. 4.5. Still nice though. Okay, hold him like that a second. Just stay like that. Down. Show your face. Okay, now hold him with your hands on its belly sideways. Just hold it like that for about 20 seconds. Good job. All right. Okay. Okay, now, here.
Hurry up. Hurry up, for the piece is not going.
You gotta hit camera. I just missed a big crappie because my drag was set too weak. Folks, she just caught another 4-pound bass. My goodness. Gosh. Let's go to the scale again. That one's bigger. That one's 5. That one's a full 5. All right, folks, I think this one's 5, at least. My goodness. Yeah, screw the crappie. I'm throwing a spinnerbait. It's time to throw the spinner. Are you getting them close to the bank or out? Huh? Close? Yeah, they're feeding inside now then, okay. My goodness. We caught him once again on the jointed rappel.
Pick it up that one.
Lay it down.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a hoss. That's a big female. I'm gonna have to get the pliers.
Another one.
I'm trying not to. Oh, you got him right in the corner of the lip, the worst place possible. Oh, man. There we go. All right, you hold them up for us. I'll get a good view of you with this camera first. Folks, that's gotta be 4.5. Come on, you got it. Good job, honey. That's a big. We're gonna weigh it, but I'd say he's 4.5, maybe almost 5. Goodness gracious. Hold him down a little bit. There you go. Good job. My goodness, you whipped me today. Okay. Now I'm gonna say it's 21. 22 maybe. 21 almost. Yep, 21. Alright folks, we're gonna get this big mama back in. Now that's a bass. That is a big bass. Look at that, guys. We got two, she got 2 of them back to back before dark. She found all the mushrooms today. I caught the 2 big crappie and then had the 2-hour battle with a grass carp that I missed. All in all, she whipped my butt though. All right, she's gonna get her back in. Another big fish. Man, I don't understand. So they just like the color orange today, I guess. No matter what I put on, they just have not committed to it. She's caught 3 monsters today. Oh my God. Got it. Oh, another 5-pounder. Gosh. My goodness, you're lucky today. God, they just like the orange, I guess. Red, they love that reddish orange. She just caught 3 4-pound bass in a row, guys. Yeah, pliers. Getting out of that. He's no bigger than 4. We don't really need to weigh it. Hold it up for us. Folks, she just whipped my butt today and everything. Mushroom hunting, bass fishing, except crappie. I got bigger crappie, but she caught 3 big bass. 3 big bass today, guys. Just amazing. God. In one hour. Really back to back. Hold it like that for a minute. Good job. Man, you did really good today. I should have had orange on. Or it's kind of a reddish color, reddish orange. Sometimes that is a good spring color in murky water. We're not even going to weigh this one. We know it's a good 4-pounder again. All right, folks, we're going to
berth
Then,
today. You're not even pointing to that.
because you need to put like that. You need to
Got
flat.
3 big berths today. We're gonna
Up.
got 3 big berths today on the joint that we're piling crawdad. It's love red in the spring.
Can you up your hands up? Your hands up. Like that.
Oh, put back in.
Okay,
I don't see why I can't at least get lucky with the bomber once. Wrong color. Oh man. Everything just went wrong for me today except the 2 crappie. So I did have one hit this because it was big. I seen it, it came all the way to the top. Just shook the hook, jumped.